check out the Rinya house on Soi Lengkee, near Soi Lengkee and Soi Diana, which is right over there. That way, that intersection there, busy intersection. So we're gonna go check out this small little hotel, and I believe they have standard rooms available right now. So we'll have a look at the standard room right now. And they got great food here as well, great breakfast, great pizza. Let's check it out. Hello? You have a standard room available? Yes. Can I have a look? Yes. All right. Reception area, if you want to go check in, just check in over here. On the side of the hotel. And I believe the standard rooms are on the bottom floor, or maybe on the second floor as well. I'll go ask you when she's. You gonna show me standard room? Standard rooms are on the bottom floor and top floor?
Fourth floor.
Oh, second floor.
Second floor.
Oh, okay, okay. No swimming pool, eh?
Pardon?
No swimming pool.
No.
No. That's too bad. So here is the standard room. And this room is how much? 620 baht? 620 baht? How much? How right?
Yes, it's ready.
And you could rent this room monthly as well?
Pardon?
1 month you can rent too for a whole month? Like 1 month you can rent it?
Yes.
Okay. Flat screen TV, that's new. Before you guys had the box TVs. Big fridge, 2 free waters. Here's a bathroom. Okay. Here's the bathroom. Yeah, decent size. For the price, you can't go wrong. It's clean. Looks not bad. There's your balcony. Balcony area. Not much of a view. Obviously not. Whatever. Okay. So this is the standard room, 620 baht. The Rinya house. King size bed. Let's see if they have a safety deposit box. Safety deposit box right here, sorry. It's right over here. Can't see it with this camera. I don't have it on low light right now. But there is a small got a fan here as well. Air conditioning, air conditioner. Let's see what's over here. We'll walk over here. Let's see what's in the back. I think the soda's court. Number 1. And number 2's back here too, so you could probably use their pool too. I've done that. I used to do that all the time actually, so. Okay. Receptionist a little bit shy, so doesn't want to go on YouTube, so. Okay. Okay, so that is the standard room at the Rinya house, 620 baht, and you could rent it out monthly as well. Yeah. Alana? Yeah. Alright, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Pattaya Slamman. I'll be very, very happy if you did. And if you didn't, whatever. Thank you for watching the video. This is the surroundings. Everything's here. Laundry, internet shop, massage, everything. 7-Eleven. Family Mart, great location, cheap accommodation. Thank you.